832. Open the door. Yun anak. Let's go. Tara na. White party. Yay. Let's go. Let's go. Sabihan mo yan. Sobrang kontradida. Ako, nakita nakaporma na ako. Ako na magbabayad. Ano yan? Oh, ha? Alam ba na kami? Swimming na po kami. Oh. Ready? Handy spa. Yes, later. Over there. Yes. See muna. Okay, go. Go na. Go. Yes, anak. Let's go. Oh, we'll go outside. Ready na po. Palabasin natin ang aking prinsesa. Yoo-hoo! Wow! Tulog-tulog sa Mira, oh. Anak ko, yehey! Anak ko, swimming ka? Ha? Swimming na tayo? Ah. Okay, swimming na po kami. Oh, yan, oh. Linis pa si Kuya, oh. Linis pa, linis muna. Linis. Tulog pa din si Mira. Tulog pa rin. Morning. Go. Go na, walk. Go na, dali na. Hello. Wow, gising na ang anak ko ah. Yay, so swimming na kami. Tama na kami ng tabing dagat. Halika anak ko. Punta tayo ng tabing dagat. Yes. Na. Don't say not fair. Tignan mo, wala pa nagsiswimming oh. Oh, still oh. It's too early anak. It's too early. Halika, punta mo na sa dagat. Halika. Beach side muna tayo. Dali. Beach side. Let's go. Don't worry. Pwede na tayo mag-swimming dito. May bouncing nga dito eh. Good morning. Hi. How are you bro? It's fair anak, okay? Wow, kasi tingnan mo sila yun, no? Naglalakad sila, go to the beach. Dali, oh, takbo! Yuhuu! Yuhuu! Wow, oh. Hey! Nak! Oh, saan tayo pupunta? Bouncing, okay. Muna natin, oh, para makita ang view. Oh, doon kami. Oh, doon kami. Naka-check-in sa 8th floor. 8th floor. Ha? 9 o'clock? 1 hour. Ayun, hindi ba sinasabi? Na ano? Maglalaro tayo? Walking down the street, saying I'm sa sunbathing na. Yay! Kaway! Hello anak ko! How are you? Good morning! Morning Army! Good morning! White party tayo, teacher tayo. Party tayo lahat. Good morning. Ba't ba napaka-teacher ni Kong Santo?
Asawa ko dito, yung parang ayusin. Naghirap na sa Dubai.
Gising na? Ha? Where's your shoes? Anak ko, where's? Good morning! Hello, Potpot! Happy birthday! Santana! Hi! Ano na, boss? Marami pa tayong mga project dyan. Maraming mga project na pinapagawa. Guys! How? Ay, hindi pa? Picture muna Picture muna tayo. At video, sige na, anak, upo na. Okay, roll na ako. Napa-off? Okay. Opa. Sorry. Yan na, nakamukuli tayo itong buhay. Beautiful morning. Oh, si Sir. Kala kaya kinita. Si Madam na day off. Kaya si Madam. Ganda ng view niya, Madam. Winner guys ang view. Happy night dyan.
Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. When we came, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family's doing okay. And leaving, getting a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body.
Yes anak, malamig.
Last night you were in
Huwag
my
tayo dito,
room.
malamig pala eh.
Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something
Malamig yung tubig
brand new.
dito.
I'm in love with your body.
Oo, sabi nga nila malamig.
I'm in love with your body.
Ah,
I'm in love with your body.
kumota si
I'm in
sister.
love with your body.
Yun ang
Every day
tatas sa
discovering
lawan na.
something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby. Come on, come on, be my baby.
Pot-pot.
Come on, come on, be my
Pot-pot.
baby. Come on,
Pot-pot.
come on, be my baby. Come
Ay, ang lamig naman ng tubig.
on, be my baby. Come on,
Hindi mo pwedeng painitan ng konti.
come on, be my baby. Come on, come on, be my baby.
Happy? Happy anak? Hindi ka ba nilalamig? Oh, go under the bridge. Okay, nakasunod ako ha. Oh, ate.
Get your float.
Oh, under the bridge. Under the bridge. Bridge, under. Wow. Speech. Oh, anday ah. Hindi pa siya makaget over doon sa natanaw niya. Nakahanap ka sa hindi ka ba nakapag-get over doon sa tanawin mo. Nakabidyo. Doon ka nakatingin sa mga ano ka nakakita ka. Pumauta ka kagad. Oh, ano na, umiihi. Ang lamig. Oh, lamig oh. Oh. Masyado oh. Pero malamig. It's, hindi ka ba nilalamig anak? Kasi ano ba yung switch? Hindi nga. Wala pa. Ito na mga tropang gala. Yung isa, tagal oh. It's very cold. Can you make it warm? Possible? Yeah, it is. Hindi po pwede namang pa-adjust may option. Di ba adjust natin? Kasi bata eh. Pwede. Opo, baba na. Uy. Oo, yan. Pool party. Ikot. Ikot. Ayun oh. Halika na! Hindi ka naman ulunod dito! Oh, kung nabubulol na si Bosseng! Kalbabeta na! Dumaan mo sa pag-ilokbet! Urinan! Selfie! Ayun din oh, yung sa naming dugong oh, ginikinaw. Ayan! Ginawang sa dugong! Yala! Ito naman ako, pagka kami mag-video, nilalayuan ako. Ayaw na ako kasama sa video. Ito na nga lang anak ko. Yala! Anak ko, anak ko. Ay, ito din anak ko. Ate Ninang! Ate Ninang! Ayaw din. Ito ang video Sige, game. Ito, paparante.
Ang Hana.
She moves like a map with
rock jump. Oh. Nagantay kami, 1 minute pa daw. 1 minute pa. Oo. Sumunod kayo sa 1 minute. 1 minute na lang yun. Oo. Yun, open na for you para sa Sheka. Binuksan. Yehey! Go! Yehey! Yehey! Go! Anak ko, go! Yan, go, go, Arthur, go, go! The birthday celebrant! Tinitinaw! Oh, nadulas na yung isa! Nadulas! Oh, hello! Hello, guys! Hello, anak ko! Pot, tinitinaw! Go, anak, slide!
She writes down cities on the road.
Oh no!
I sip my coffee, smack you. Still
1, 2, 3! Woo! Oh, ikaw! Next! 1, 2,
soon she
3! Woo!
Oh,
okay.
Traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today,
Like the first
I
one.
may never get the chance to walk inside your
Oh, ha? Santara, yes.
Can we wait for Mom?
Teka lang, nak, one more.
Yeah, one more day.
River. Yun yung mga kasama natin, no? Yun sa likod, no? Okay.
But what if courage comes to rain? Oh,
Tatakit na, parang tatakit na natin.
I just stood afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today,
Pagbilisahan kasi ano.
Ano ba yan? Malalim na.
Ayon.
never see your
Oh, ha?
smile.
Si Stitch. Holds only. Ispapul. Ispa. Ispapul. Oh, ha? Okay.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind.
Shark.
I see her boots at the corner
You know, shark.
cafe
Oh.
with a
Yes.
notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. There's something in the way she keeps pulling at my chain.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside.
ask your name today, I may never get
Ako ang ikot.
to walk beside your wandering night.
Yay! 2, 3. Yay! One more. 2, 3.
She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on a wrist and dreams she'll make.
2, 3.
I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my feet. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk
Birthday celebrant namin ko, Stitch! Oh! Stitch Salvamita with the Stitch suit!
maybe next year in Madrid, on some quiet mountain ridge. I'll see you turn
Where's Hannah? Where's Hannah? Where's Hannah? Where's Hannah?
but what if courage comes too late?
Hannah, put!
The world is your open
Where's
gate,
Hannah? Put!
and I
Ayan, na-enjoy na niya kasi hindi naman masyado mainit yung hindi naman masyado malamig yung tubig.
afraid of
Na-enjoy na niya.
if I don't take that step today, you'll vanish
Oh, enough na.
with the train, and I'll never see your smile. She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named, but I stay in my
Happy birthday! Hannah,
There's something in the way she moves, keeps pulling at my chain. Oh,
Happy birthday, Hannah! Happy birthday,
carry the
Hannah!
sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside you. She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak.
Where's your flower, nako? Where's
She
your flower?
writes
Where's
down
Hannah?
cities
Where's
on
Hannah?
Malalim dito.
Where's Hannah?
and dreams she'll
Where's Hannah?
never keep.
Where's Hannah?
I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my feet. But time rolls on like open road, and soon she won't be here.
One more time!
Oh, try
1, 2, 3, whoa!
to carry the sun Maybe next year in Madrid.
Hana, 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 Hana.
I'll see you turn and I'll be brave.
Harap, harap.
But what if courage
No, balik,
comes
balik.
too late? Oh, traveler, the world is your open gate, and I just stood afraid of fate.
Go to daddy. Ayan, yan, dyan na ako.
That step today, you'll vanish with
Sige, ikot. Ako, sunod ako. Lakad. Ganito oras pala dapat mag-swimming eh. Oh, may enjoy ng anak ko oh. Yun si ate oh.
moves like a map with no border, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook.
Go na, slide! Go! Go, go, go,
She's
go!
chasing
Hurry up!
skies I've never named
Hurry up!
while I
Go, 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 go!
stay in
Go, 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 go! Woohoo!
It's something in the way she moves keeps pulling
Go to daddy!
at
Anak,
my
go to daddy!
chain.
Go to daddy! Go to daddy!
Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride.
Yan lang ako. Nothing there.
Leaving behind
Ah,
what I
napot
hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside you.
Yan lang. Yan lang tayo. Yan pa.
She hums a tune I've never heard.
Ay!
Languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on a list and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my feet.
Yan na. 1, 2, 3, go!
And soon she won't be here.
Finally.
Oh, traveler,
Swimming under the
carry the
sun.
sun in your stride.
Under the sun.
Leaving
Magpapaitim na naman. Magpapasunog.
what I hold
Oh.
inside. If I don't ask your name
Check out
today,
tayo na. Ayaw mong
I
mahon.
may never get the chance
Swimming pa more.
to walk beside you.
Mamaya, sunog. Okay. Ayan na. Oh,
Maybe
enjoy.
next year in
Yes.
Madrid,
Oh, open
or
your
on
eyes.
some quiet mountain ridge. I'll see you turn and I'll
Adventure.
be brave. But what if courage comes too
Wow, ang galing ka.
late?
Wow.
Oh, traveler, the world is your open gate, and I just stood afraid of fate. If I don't take that step
Lobat
today,
na. Ano, swimming pa tayo.
you'll vanish with
Lobat.
the train, and I'll never see your smile again.
Lobat. Picture, picture. Harap dito. Oh, tignan mo. Oh. Tignan. Run, anak, run.
She moves like a map with no border, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner.
Let's go, let's find the chicken nuggets.
With a notebook.
Wow. Walk, anak, walk.
She's chasing skies I never named while I stay in my lane.
Si Papa, di ba nga nagbibigay si Papa mo eh?
There's something in the way she keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance.
Saan? Okay. Yes, anak. Yan
She
ah.
hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities
Halika na ka. Let's find the nuggets.
and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue,
Dapat ko na ba yung kids?
still anchored
Anak,
by
kumain ba?
my feet.
Sige, go.
The time rolls on like gold,
Okay.
and soon she won't be here.
Breakfast time.
Oh, traveler,
Nahin kami ng konti.
you carry the sun in your stride,
Yun na yung ganito.
leaving behind
Ganyan na.
what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside
breakfast time. Sir.
Maybe next year in Madrid, on some quiet mountain ridge,
Elala ka. Show your dress.
and I'll be
Ano ka?
brave. But what if courage comes too late?
Hawaii.
The world is
Army.
your
Now.
gate, and I
Kami.
just stood afraid of fate. If I don't take that
Yes. My
step
food. O,
today,
diba? Sino dito? O. Ikaw. Siyempre, o.
the train,
Against the light ako. Paransi.
and I'll never see your smile.
O, fiesta tayo, fiesta.
Paldo ng itlog tayo. Paldo. Oo. Yan ang masarap din. Ayan. Ayan. Kasi buya.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Thank you, Niti. Yay!
She moves like a knife with no I see her inside the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't
Guys,
ask
we're
your
checked out.
name today,
Check out na po kami.
I may never get the
Sir.
chance
Oh, ano
to
na?
walk beside your
Sir, si Army.
wandering down.
Nasaan yung Inday ko? Wala. Nasa si Aniela.
She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride,
Mas labas ako nung masaya ang pagkaramdam ko.
leaving me
Oras. Kasi ganito yung oras na
what I
nag-define na
hold inside. If I don't ask
No?
your name today,
How are you?
I may never get
You okay?
the chance to walk
Don't say like that.
beside your
Bankrupt.
wandering down.
O kang bankrupt. Diyan sila tumalon kanina. Oh.
In Madrid or on some quiet mountain,
Ganda ng pantalon, no?
I'll
Flip
see
yung
you
pantalon mo, ah.
and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late? Oh, traveler, the world is your open gate, and I just stood afraid of it. If I don't take that step today, you'll vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile again.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ah.
your dress.
Oo. Wow, ganda nga.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ana.
Happy birthday.